Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage investment returns with Ally Financial, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Ally Financial website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, find the investing section in the main menu. Click on this section to explore the investment options available to you. In the investing section, look for the Portfolio tab. Select the Portfolio tab to view your current investments and their performance. Take a moment to review your investment returns displayed on the screen. To manage your investment returns effectively, consider adjusting your asset allocation. Click on the Manage Investments option. Here, you can rebalance your portfolio based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Evaluate the performance of each investment by comparing it against market benchmarks. If any investments have underperformed, consider reallocating funds to better performing assets. Next, explore the market research and analysis tools available through Ally. Utilize these resources to stay informed about market trends and investment opportunities. You can also set alerts for specific stocks or funds that interest you. Set these alerts by clicking on the Alerts option in the Investing section. This feature will help you monitor price changes and stay ahead of market movements. Consider setting a consistent investment strategy, such as dollar cost averaging. This method allows you to invest a fixed amount regularly, reducing the impact of market volatility. Review your progress toward your financial goals periodically. Setting reminders for these reviews can help ensure you stay on track. If necessary, consult with a financial advisor offered by Ally for personalized advice. Adjust your investment strategy as your financial situation or market conditions change. Finally, keep track of any tax implications for your investment returns. Ally provides tools to help you understand the tax responsibilities associated with your investments. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your investment returns with Ally Financial. Now, you're better prepared to make informed decisions about your investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.